In this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate Tinder account without deleting. Launch the Tinder app on your device and log into your account. Look for the profile icon located at the top right corner of the main screen and tap on it. Within your profile view, find and tap on Settings option, usually positioned towards the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the Settings menu to locate the Delete Account option at the bottom. This will lead to deletion or deactivation page. On the account deactivation page, choose the Pause My Account option. This action will deactivate your Tinder profile temporarily, allowing you to take a break without permanently deleting your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.